this is a true song. And this is a bit different because it's a protest song on behalf of seagulls. Now, you're all right around here because it's mostly crows. But, but in Llandudno, a few years ago, there were so many seagulls nesting in the town. Some of the people in the town said that people are staying away because, there were so many there. It was like something from a sort of a Hitchcock film. And so it was amazing, and I thought it was terrible because they decided to burn the nests and smash all the eggs, and it was terrible. So I wrote a little protest song about it, which is for the seagulls. If they hear it, they'll probably fly in and sort of, join in. Anyway, it's got a little chorus, which is quite easy. We're going to sing this song then, The Seagulls of Llandudno. In the town of Llandudno, the tourist boats say there's safe sandy beaches for the children to play. There's a prom and a pier and a cafe or two, a towering headland with a breathtaking view. Tooraloo, tooralay, comes Llandudno, the tourist boats say. But the town has a problem, all is not well. Seagulls are nesting in every hotel. The gulls are a nuisance, complain all the guests, smash all their eggs and destroy all the nests. Tooraloo. I went there last summer, I remember it well. I booked bed and breakfast in a 4-star hotel. I asked them to wake me a call about 10. They told me, don't worry, you'll be waked before then. Tooraloo, Llandudno, the tourist boats say. An old lady told me she came there to rest. Now she didn't find that the gulls were a pest. I asked, don't they wake you at dawn every day? She answered me, pardon, what did you say? Tooraloo, come to Llandudno, the tourist boats say. A man up from Bangor, he walked in the street when a herring gull had him from 10,000 feet. His wife passed him paper to wipe up his brow. He said, he's no good, he's miles away now. Tooraloo, come to Llandudno, the tourist boats say. But now as I'm leaving, the truth I will tell. I'm fond of those seagulls, and I wish them all well. And to those who complain, and there's more than a few, just you remember they were here before you. Tooraloo, and again. Tooraloo. Come to Llandudno, the tourist board say. Thank you very much.